The internet reaction to this device was absolutely massive. The leaks did not just stay quiet. They completely exploded all over X, which we used to call Twitter. Top verified leakers and trusted tech pages could not stop posting about it. First, the famous account at Windows Latest dropped a massive tweet. They wrote, "Exclusive leak. Lenovo Legion Go Fold. 11.6-inch fold screen. Folds to 7.7 inches. Coming to MWC 2026. This post got millions of views instantly. Then, the legendary leaker Evan Blass, known as Out of Leaks, joined the conversation. He tweeted, "Lenovo is not stopping. ThinkBook Modular AI PC and Legion Go Fold are real. 868 grams total weight. Insane engineering." The facts were starting to line up perfectly. Soon after, Notebook Check posted their own viral tweet. They stated, "Foldable Legion Go leaks. Intel Core Ultra 7258V inside. Bomb high gigabytes, but only a 48 WH battery? DOA." That exact battery figure really sparked a huge debate among gamers. Video Cards also confirmed the processor in their viral tweet. They wrote, "Lenovo's new handheld uses Lunar Lake. Arc 140V integrated graphics confirmed. No Panther Lake this time." Finally, Tom's Hardware tweeted a crazy hardware detail. They said, "Hands-on with the Legion Go Fold concept. The right controller has a built-in circular touchscreen and acts as a vertical mouse." The hype on X was truly unreal. It was not just social media either. The biggest international tech websites rushed to cover this story. Let us look at what different publishers from around the world are actually saying. Over in the United States, Windows Central wrote a massive feature. They said this new concept is so weird it should not work, but it somehow does. They called it a perfect mix of the Legion Go 2, the ThinkPad Fold, and a Surface Pro. Meanwhile, in Germany, the international tech site Notebook Check translated their deep dive into English. They confirmed some serious display facts. They revealed the massive 11.6-inch display has a super smooth 165 Hz refresh rate and a peak resolution of 2435 by 1712. That is incredibly sharp for a handheld device. Back in America, Mashable published their hands-on review directly from the show floor. They noted how surprisingly light the device is in person. They love how the screen unfolds to give you a massive viewing area. However, not all tech sites were completely positive. In Malaysia, Loyat.net pointed out a serious design flaw. They noted that the screen actually folds outwards. This means the fragile OLED panel is left completely exposed when the device is closed. The huge site 9to5 Google agreed with this massive worry. They wrote that the outward folding nature is a very bad idea for screen protection, even though the Nintendo Switch-style detachable controllers are great. Finally, Tech Power Up weighed in on the overall performance. They heavily criticized the 48 WH battery. They firmly stated it will be a major concern for an 11.6-inch display running heavy Windows 11 games. Now, let's break down all these heavy details into 3 simple information cards. These cards will tell you exactly what you need to know about the Lenovo Legion Go Fold. Here is card 1. It covers the display and build. 11.6-inch unfolded size. 7.7-inch folded form. Hold flexible technology. 165 Hz refresh rate. 2435 by 1712 peak resolution. Outward folding mechanism. 868 grams total. Carbon fiber finish. Here is card 2. It covers the internal hardware. Intel Core processor. Ultra 758V. Lunar Lake architecture. Art 142 graphics. Bomb high gigabyte nam exam. 1 TB PCIe storage. 48 WH battery capacity. Windows 11 use. Here is card 3. It covers the modes and controls. Standard handheld mode. Horizon full screen. Vertical split screen. Expanded desktop setup. Detachable wireless controllers. FPS vertical mouse. Built-in circular touchscreen. Magnetic keyboard cover. So, What is my final, honest opinion on this crazy product? I think the Lenovo Legion Go Fold is an absolute masterpiece of hardware engineering. It is incredibly brave. It solves the ultimate problem of choosing between a small handheld and a large gaming laptop. Having an 11.6-inch OLED screen in your bag that folds right down to the size of a standard Steam Deck is pure magic. The 32 gigabytes of RAM is fantastic for heavy multitasking. However, I have two major complaints. First, that outward folding screen scares me. One bad drop could ruin the entire device forever. Second, indeed, the 48 battery is simply too small for a screen that big. You will definitely need a portable power bank to game for long sessions. But overall, if they fix the battery and protect the screen, this could easily be the ultimate gaming device of the future. I truly hope Lenovo turns this concept into a real product that we can buy very soon. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel. Share the video with your friends so they can see the future of gaming. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Would you like me to write the next section comparing this device to the Steam Deck and ASUS ROG Ally?